Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Solon and I thank you so much for tuning in to American Rodder. Now in tonight's video I've got a plethora of different type of vehicles, all priced under $10,000 for sale on the internet this week. We've got a sports car, we've got a convertible, we've got a classic truck, we've got a Ford and a Chevy from the 60s, we've got a rare car. Stay tuned, I think you're going to love this video. And if you like this kind of videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And go ahead and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time we post a video, which usually will be in about 3 days. And be sure to remember that links to the cars can be found in the video's description. All you have to do is go in there and click on the link and it should take you straight to the car that's featured for sale. Tonight's commentary question is this: what was the car that you drove in high school? Drop it in the comments and let us know. I think it'll be fun to find out. I drove a 1974 Nova 4-door, no air conditioner, AM radio only, with vinyl seats that would stick to the back of your legs in the hot summer. Yep, that was me. Okay, let's get into the video with number 1. This is a 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air, listed 2 days ago in Mount Orab, Ohio for $8,500. Now the mileage on this car is unlisted by the seller, but it does have automatic transmission. The exterior color is black, the interior color is black, and it has a clean title. The seller's description is as follows: 1963 Chevy Bel Air 2-door with a V8, runs and drives very good, $8,500 or best offer, which means, guys, you might can get in there and negotiate on this if you've been looking for a 63 Chevrolet, and it could be yours if the price is right. Number 2. This is a 1965 Ford Mustang 2-door coupe, listed for $7,850 in Philadelphia, Mississippi. This car has been listed as has driven around 100,000 miles, has automatic transmission, the exterior color is white, and the original interior is colored black. It's an all-original 1965 Mustang coupe with a 250 6-cylinder with automatic transmission. The car runs and drives. It has new brakes, new gas tank, new wiring harness, but still needs some tender love and care, but is a nice solid car with only 2 small spots in the floor as shown in the pictures. Any questions, please PM and ask him. And in my opinion, guys, I think this is probably the best deal in the whole video series tonight. Number 3. This is a 1969 Triumph Spitfire, listed 2 weeks ago in Cartersville, Georgia for $7,900. This is an all-original car, driven 54,000 miles. It has manual transmission. The exterior color is white and the original interior with its color is red. This vehicle has a clean title, and the seller's description is as follows: I've reduced the price for quick sell, and I also have the vinyl top to go with it. It runs great and shifts very nice. It has a clean Georgia title. The mileage is based on the previous owner, but based on the condition of the car, seems correct. It has a 4-speed with a 4-cylinder, and the seller is asking $7,900, but is open for trades for an MG Roadster, MGB GT, or a Jeep Wrangler. So guys, if you got the vehicles and you're wanting to trade, this would be a great deal for you to work up. Number 4. This is a 1966 Rambler American, listed in Concord, North Carolina for $8,200. The mileage is unlisted, but does have a manual transmission. The exterior color is blue and the interior color is white. The seller's description is as follows. 1966 Rambler American two-door sedan with 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column, runs and drives great. Has new Scarebird disc brake conversion on the front. It has Protronics ignition updated, new tires, recent tune-up and service. Has a beautiful interior and it's a nice driver quality car. It's no show car, but definitely a dependable cruiser, and it's listed for $8,200 and is being offered by a dealership, which means possibly negotiable. Number 5. This is a 1947 Plymouth DeSoto, listed for $8,500 in Grant, Alabama. The mileage on this car is unlisted, but it does have a manual transmission. The exterior color is red and the interior color is tan. This vehicle has a clean title. And the seller's description is kind of brief, but it is as follows. This vehicle runs and drives good. It has a flathead 6 motor in it. It is a daily driver. The car is in good shape. In fact, the seller says it's in damn good shape. So there you go. That's a pretty good description. Check it out though and see if it's something you might be interested in. Number 6. This is a 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible, listed in Englewood, Ohio for $7,000. It's listed as 52,004 original miles. It has automatic transmission. The exterior color is red and the interior color is red. The seller is the third owner and has a clean title. And here's the seller's description. 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. This car sports a Ford engine 390 with a 4-barrel Holley 406 heads, C6 automatic transmission, and is a blast to drive. It has new tires, new dual master cylinder, new drum brakes, and more. The seller swapped the intake to a 4-barrel. It doesn't have choke currently. It has a new thermostat, new water pump, new alternator belt, and it has a new radiator. It needs some body work, a couple of rust spots and damage from a previous owner. The C6 leaks a little bit where the pump is, and the engine leaks a little bit of oil. Lifters tick after warming up, probably needs adjusted. The C6 has some shifting issues here and there, but it's original. The seller says it has never let him down. He's driven it on the highway to work, and it's a cruiser. He has a clear title. He wants you to private message him with trade offers, and he's looking at $7,000 firm or best trade offer considered. Number 7. This is a 1971 Opel GT, listed in Franklin, Ohio for $9,850. At one time, this vehicle was called a poor man's Corvette, but now some of these Opels are listing higher than Vettes of the same year. Highly collectible little car. This one's been driven 66,086 miles. Has a manual transmission. The exterior color is orange and the interior color is black. It is all original except for a repaint recently done. Extremely solid car. Everything works, and it is a fun little car to drive. I just want to take a second and remind everyone that if you are interested in any of these cars, go to the video's description and the links to the cars are found there. And you can click on the link. It should take you to any one of the great cars, such as this Opel GT. Nice little car. Number 8. This is a rare 1951 Dodge Wayfarer Business Coupe, listed for $6,100 in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. This car has been driven 25,000 miles. It is a rare car with production of only 6,702 units, and of course not many survived. It has manual transmission. The exterior color is turquoise. The interior color is original brown. Seller's description is as follows: rare 1951 Wayfarer Business Coupe, all original running and driving. Great looking car to finish as an original or as a hot rod. The seller is open to offers, and looking at $6,100, that's pretty low anyway. So you might be able to negotiate this baby on down a little bit more and have a rare and great car to drive. Number 9. This is a 1963 Chevrolet, listed in Somerville, Tennessee for $8,000. The mileage is listed at 11,100 miles. Has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is black and it has a clean title. The seller's description is as follows: this 1963 Chevy pickup has a 350 V8 in it with automatic transmission. Runs and drives fine. It has no AC. It works, but needs a little bit of tender loving care to get it back going. Has some little rust on the body along the inside top of the windshield. The title is clean, and this is not a show truck, but it is a great driver. If you're in the area, you're invited to come around and look at it. $8,000 or best offer. Number 10. This is a 1930 Ford Model A hot rod, listed for $9,500 in Mims, Florida. Guys, this is my favorite car of the video, so I gave it my coveted Editor's Choice Award. This vehicle has the mileage unlisted, but it does list it as an automatic transmission. The exterior color is black, the interior color is black, and the seller description goes as follows: 1930 Ford Model A hot rod with flathead V8, truly a 50s rod, pulled from a barn. This screams vintage 50s hot rod. It's still in its nearly all original state from when it was built. Runs and moves and stops. Needs some final TLC to be 100% roadworthy. The old flathead 8 runs good. Will need the carburetor cleaned because it's been sitting for a while. It's been updated with a C4 auto transmission with an adapter to bolt up to the flathead. This is an all Ford hot rod, no Chevy parts. It does have the vintage Buick front brake drums. Ford motor, Ford transmission, Ford rear end, wheels, cab, frame, even down to the hubs, it's all Ford. New parts include aluminum radiator, electric fan, plugs and wires, points and cap, rotor, light switch, blinker switch, brake light switch, and all new brake lines. It has a new aluminum fuel cell, new fuel hose, and filter. All the lights work, high and low beam, parking lights, brake lights, blinkers, horn. It is just a great little hot rod from the 50s. It would make somebody a truly great investment. Guys, all I can say at $9,500 for a 1950s hot rod, I think that price is incredibly cheap. Okay everyone, that wraps up another video. I thank each and every one of you for joining me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Be sure to hit that notification bell where you'll get a notification on the next video coming out in 3 days, where I'll find you more great car values for your car collecting enthusiasts that are out there. Thanks for watching.